Hi there, it's Gabby Ransford, the law clerk here at Cascade Law Group. Today we're going to be going over some of the patent fee changes that are upcoming. So the USPTO is raising certain filing fees starting January 19th, and here's a brief look at the fees that are new and the ones that are going up. So on the first part, it is design application and design patent application. So these are ways to protect the way an invention looks and not necessarily the way to protect how it functions. We will be seeing an ample fee increase rising from $1,760 to $2,600 for undiscounted entities. When the USPTO raised their design fees, it happened twice over the past 10 years. Now, those increases were not sufficient to eliminate the shortfall over the long term. Additionally, per the report, design application costs are being subsidized by other fees, primarily utility patent maintenance fees. The second is IDS fees. So IDS stands for Information Disclosure Statements. These are filed with every patent application, and we'll see the introduction of a new tiered fee system that depends on how many citations are included. So for $200 for an IDS with over 50 citations, $500 for an IDS with over 100 citations, and $800 for an IDS with over 200 citations. Now going on to the third, it's terminal disclaimers. So a new $1,440 fee will be charged for terminal disclaimers filed after receiving notice of final determination in patent term extension cases. The fourth is continuing application fees. A new distinction has been set up for continuing applications that are filed later in the patent term. Continuing applications include continuation, divisional, and continuation in part applications. For continuing applications filed more than 6 years after the earliest benefit date, the fee will now be $2,700. For continuing applications filed more than 9 years after the earliest benefit date, the fee will increase to $4,000. This approach appears designed to discourage multiple patent family filing strategies. These fees will be in addition to the filing, search, and examination fees. The fee filing is increasing from $30 to $350. The search fee is increasing from $70 to $770, and the examination fee is increasing from $80 to $880. Now for the fifth, it's RCE and excess claim fees. For a first request for continued examination, otherwise known as an RCE, the fee will increase from $140 to $1,500. For the second and subsequent filed RCEs, the fee will increase from $860 to $2,860 for each RCE filed. These increases may incentivize patent applicants toward alternative strategies such as appeals. For applications with more than 3 independent claims, the excess claims fee will increase by $120 to $600 for each excess independent claim. For excess claims over 20, the fee will then jump again from $100 to $200 for each excess claim. So, looking at all of this, what are the takeaways? Basically, the approach of these fees increasing reflects a policy shift towards a front-end recovery for the USPTO. Basically, recovering more costs earlier in the patent lifecycle rather than relying as heavily on maintenance fees that are paid much later in the lifecycle of the patent, and in some cases, not at all. During the fiscal year 2023, maintenance fees collected for utility patents accounted for 54.9% of the generated patent revenue. Additionally, while the USPTO maintains that these increases are required to align fees with actual costs incurred and were shaped by public feedback, some of the changes appear to be constructed to influence applicant behavior. As always, if you need any help at all navigating the patent application process or interpreting these new patent fee changes, feel free to reach out to us at cascade-lg.com and click on Let's Work Together and see how we can help you today. Bye.